Hi, friends. Thanks for stopping by again today. So, I thought today I would take one last look at the Christmas lights in the town. There's not a lot of decorations, but I still like to look at them. Um, I know they're going to be taking them down soon, so let's have one last little peek at them. And I thought I'd take you along with me, and I'm also going to head over to the pizza vending machine over by the lake and see if I can't get something to eat tonight. I'm pretty hungry. Actually, I'm very, very hungry. So it's actually not very late while I'm filming this. It's like about 7:30, and as you see, everything is closed. But that's just how it is in the countryside. In the bigger cities, stuff stays open later, but in the countryside, everything closes around 7. You'll have a few fast food restaurants, a couple kebab places, um, maybe a few bars that'll be open later. But everything else, grocery stores, clothing stores, all of that is closed at like 7:30. So yeah, that was the extent of our Christmas decorations in the town. You'll see a couple here and there on the lamppost, but yeah, they don't do decorating in the out here the way they do like in Paris. Because Paris is where all the tourists go, so they're gonna really do it up there. Um, but the more they spend on electricity in our town, the more taxes we have to pay. So I don't mind them saving some electricity by not having too many decorations. This is my little town. There's about 500 people in the town. When I first moved here, there might have been maybe 350, maybe a little more, give or take. But it was pretty much a town just with elderly people, and a lot of them are gone now. Then after the pandemic, actually during, we had a surge of people just buying all the empty houses in the village and fleeing the cities, the big cities. Everybody wanted to come to the countryside, so they bought all the abandoned houses, you know, all over the countryside, not just my town. And so now the town is, sitting at about like 500. So here's our little pizza vending machine. I decided to get the margarita pizza and the burger pizza. I'm not quite sure why I ordered two. I guess kind of out of habit, but I really only needed one. And then, I guess old habits. But, I can always have leftovers, which I will, as you'll see here in a moment. Now watch the price drop here. Watch this. Wait a minute. You see that, right? I mean, I was glad because I think they did overcharge, but yeah. And of course, because I already ordered too many pizzas, I win a free one. Ah, great. This is the goat cheese and honey, which actually turned out to be pretty good. The other two really sucked. Really, really sucked. The margarita and the burger pizza, yeah, I could have done without them. But the freebie saved the night.